Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily generate a list of days in Excel using a simple formula. If you ever need to create a sequence of days for tracking projects, managing schedules, or just keeping organized, this is the method for you. So, let's start by opening Excel and selecting an empty column where you want to create your list of days. I will choose a column A for this demonstration. Now, in the first cell, type the following formula equal double quotation day, right? Then and sequence from parentheses, then 365 comma 1, then close parentheses. This formula combines the text day with a sequence of numbers from 1 to 365, which represent the number of days in a year. So let's break it down. The sequence function generates a series of numbers, in this case from 1 to 365, because we want one row for each day of the year. And by adding day in quotation marks, we're telling Excel to prefix each number with the word day. Is that simple? After typing the formula, simply press enter and voila, Excel automatically generates a list from day 1 to 365. And that's it. A quick and easy way to create a full list of days using the sequence function in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.